Got no voltage, my man. Think we're gonna have a break in the line or a pinch.
I said, hey, yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Hey, that's what's up, man. Listen, keep grinding, keep growing, keep doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? I wish y'all nothing but the best. I hope you get everything that you desire in life, man. Hey, but if everything ain't going right for you right this second, y'all already know, like I say, man, listen, life ain't all cupcakes and rainbows, for real, for real. Life be life, like my boy 87 say. But all you gotta do, man, is just wait. 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week, you could definitely be in a better situation. So look, chin up, keep trucking, man. And if you see somebody out there on their grind right now, if you see somebody out there getting what they deserve, listen, don't hate on it. Just wait on it. You definitely get your time. All right, man. So today, if any of y'all really like paid attention or whatever, y'all see, man, like my brake lights don't work. My turn signals do work, but my brake lights don't work, and my reverse lights do not work, man. And that's because like this wiring harness, man, on this thing is terrible. If you remember one of my earlier videos when I was actually changing out the lenses and stuff on the tail lights, you know what I mean, you know. But if not, y'all about to see it, because we about to take this bad boy out and swap it for a new wiring harness. Well, it's not brand new, but it's way better off than the one that's in there, and y'all about to see here in just a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all set up, man, and we're gonna go ahead and try to knock this video out. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So we just got these pulled out. I'm gonna have to loosen this up too, so we can get that harness from behind the tag. All right, man. But as y'all see, man, like missing light over here, man, it was just like for well, look at that. Dang, I can't hardly look at that, man. This thing is terrible. Look at that, broke it. See, like, look at that piece that just came out. It's crazy. All right, anyway, let me set y'all down, and let's get these just pulled out and go ahead and throw that other harness on there. Now, I do see that adapter piece is ran in here, and then that black wire on the end is also right there as well. All right, man, so let me set y'all down and get to it. All right, man, I wanted to just show y'all something real quick. You know, just FYI, when you're doing this, this goes on the back side of the wiring harness right here. Just pretty much locks it in. So all you just do is just pull that off. And then, see, we have that other black wire, which is the ground right here. Now, I did cut this one because the simple fact that the one on this end, if I can find it. Okay, yeah, the one on this end, like they broke it, I guess, getting it off. So yeah, we just gonna connect this to the other one in there. All right, man, let's go ahead and get the rest of this harness out and put the new one in. All right, old harness out, man. Yeah, like some of these things, man, like all dry rotted and everything, bro. All right, let's go ahead and get back to it. All right, y'all. So I got it hooked up and everything. Got them pretty much all in place. So what I'm about to do now is I'm gonna go grab the old lady real quick, see if she can help me out, so we can check them to see. I'm gonna make sure before I put the covers back on, make sure that all of our lights are working. All right, man. Let's get to it. All right, so lights are on. So we got a light out over here. Hit the brakes. Pressing the brakes. No brake lights. Lord, what in the world? Yeah, turn the signal light on. Left signal light. Well, either one. Okay, so we got signal lights over there. All right, right. All right, so we got both of these lights is working, but it don't come on when it's just. All right, can you start the car up? Just turn the key, let the thing prime. Start it up. Just hold. All right, hold the brakes. Hold the brakes. Put it in reverse. Just go down one. Huh? Oh. Do it again. It's in reverse. Try to back it up, do it. Because I just seen the lights flash. Put it back in park. What just happened? I just seen them flash though. It's in park. Put it back in reverse. I don't know, I think I gotta blow. Oh, see, okay. We got reverse lights. All right. Turn it off. I mean, put it in park. You can go ahead and turn it off. Should let it run for a minute though. Turn those lights off. Yeah. So that's odd. Our brake lights are not working. So these, I'm guessing, is my brake lights because I didn't see them turn on. I'm trying to think if that means we got a bad one, or is there a bad light? Because this light really can't be bad if it was coming on when the signal light was coming on. And I didn't see either one of these lights turned on. So let me just, I guess, do some research real quick, y'all, to see. And I probably need to test some fuses and everything as well. All right, man, let's do some research real quick. All right, y'all, so I mean, I've been in here looking around at some of the fuses, just checking them and everything. The only one that I ran across that was bad was this 15 right here, and it came from up there. I think it stopped in hazards. I think so, I'm not sure, but we're just gonna replace that. Hopefully, I don't know, that fix our issue. And then another thing, shout out to my dude 87, man. Hold on. Right here on the bottom of your, what in the world? My fault, y'all. But on the top of your brakes, you have this thing here. It's the brake switch. Pretty much, hold on, well, I didn't mean to do that, but on the back of the brake assembly up here, there's this little push button switch. So if I push the brakes, oh goodness, y'all see the button releases, and when it goes back in, it pushes the button in. So I'm not sure if there is another where I can probably try to look and see if there's another fuse or something for this up there. Not unless we just got a bad switch. I don't really feel like testing that out right now. But since we just changed that fuse, let's see if that made any difference. Hold on. Man, hey, it's got me today. It's doing the same thing. It's doing the same thing. Like, it's crazy that those lights are working when I turn the signal lights on, but it's not working like in a running situation. I probably need to check this end right here to see if it may be bad. But then also, like I said, even with the brake thing, I'm gonna have to probably just hop in here with a voltmeter, man, and try to just go over these, or either like a tester for real, to try to test and see if we can get this thing figured out, man. Because I don't want to open this back up anymore when I put it back in. So I'm not just gonna leave it how it is. We're gonna just get it figured out before we get it put back. All together, like, because I don't want to take it back a little again. All right, man. So let me take me a break, man, and just try to figure out what to do. What's the next plan of action? All right, man. Y'all hold your horses. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I had to change this. Well, just move this little brake switch that I showed y'all earlier. I just had to move it around a little bit. So now we should have brakes. Now we should have brakes. I think I seen them on, but yeah, we should have brakes. You know, turn signals work. Other turn signal works, but it's just that doggone running light on the doggone passenger side, man. I don't understand. Let me do some more research, man, and we about to try to figure this thing out. Like I said, I don't want to put them lenses on it before, you know what I'm saying, like I put the cover, you know, I want to fix it before I put it all back together, man. So let's find these gremlins. Y'all check out who pulled up on me, G. Old
Love you
Southern
too.
Square Body, man. Hey, if y'all don't know this guy, this is Southern Square Body. Hey, go tap into his channel, man. He got some of the baddest trucks that you'll ever see, man. But he came up here to help me out, man. We up there trying to trace some gremlins out of this doggone light system here. But he's been running me through a couple things just to test and try to do, man. As you know, as I showed y'all before, that light on the passenger side works when the blinkers are on, but it doesn't work as a running light. So he's sitting here trying to help me out, and I'm learning while we're going.
Turn them on for me.
Okay. Alright, so they on now.
That's a blinker.
No,
That's just the running lights.
that's just the running.
Hit the blinker.
Alright.
Back to the side, man.
So
Got no voltage. Got no voltage. Ground. Got no voltage, my man. Think we're gonna have a break in the line or a pinch.
is that off that gray one?
Yeah.
See, yep. That's the exact one we was talking about. So man, we gonna have to doggone trace this wire down. I think it's definitely somewhere in the car where it might be pinched at. See, we got voltage on that one.
That's on the running light.
Oh, that's on the,
Yeah, we had it on the running light there.
okay.
A little bit, but it should be more. See, that's your running light. Almost 11 volts there. Got no power.
So it's definitely a break in that line, man. So, hey, it's gonna be another thing we got to chase down, but hey, it is what it is, right? I appreciate all y'all for stopping by, checking out the video, man. Truly, for real, hey. We just gonna keep working, we gonna keep grinding, man. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on to all. Make sure you leave a comment, man. Let me know what y'all think. Give me some ideas, bro. I don't know what some of y'all probably know way more than we do, you know. So drop it down in the comment section. Until next time, salute, salute, salute.